Great! The smart tech in our platform has used your answers to find your perfect boiler match. But here's a breakdown just in case you were wondering how we got these results. The questions about the size of your home and the number of bedrooms and radiators you have help to calculate the required central heating output. We also needed to know how many bathrooms and showers you have to determine your hot water demand. If you'd like to know a bit more about why these influence your heating and hot water output, take a look at this video. And we asked about your flue and where it's located, as well as your current boiler type and whether you wanted to move it to a new location. This information helped us assess any extra work or materials we may need for installation day. Using the answers you've given us, our platform has now created a personalised list of all the boilers and heating systems that are perfect for your home. All you need to do is make a selection from the packages listed. Then choose an installation date that suits you. And we may even be able to offer a discount if you choose a less busy day. You'll be able to see what discounts are available on the booking calendar. Once you've picked any added extras, we'll give you a fixed price, and finally, you'll be directed to the checkout where you can select from a number of flexible ways to pay. And that's it. It really is that simple. Once you've made your purchase, we'll send you all the information in an email and message you with updates on what's next. Even better, you can download the BOXT app to have complete control over the whole process, from installation to every piece of information you need for your new heating system. Thanks for choosing BOXT. We can't wait to see you soon.